Over the years, machines have developed to make chopping, sawing, and processing wood faster and easier. Have you ever wondered how the bark was removed from a cut-down tree? This heavy-duty machine is a dual-head debarker. The logs are spun back and forth in place on the carriage wheels as the debarker heads remove the bark with ease. This machine splits logs horizontally. It has a splitting force of 40 tons and cuts through the logs as easy as a knife to butter. We've come a long way from cutting down trees by hand. This machine not only cuts the tree down in seconds, but also runs it back and forth through its saws to remove the branches. Finally, it cuts the tree into more manageable sizes. This machine uses a hydraulic vertical splitting wedge system to cut the wood down to small sizes for kindling. The splitting power is a whopping 50 tons. That's as much weight as 10 elephants. An average of 20 bulk cubic meters per hour of cut logs are processed. Now every time you're warming yourself by the fire, you know how the kindling is cut. This machine can cut and split logs up to 55 centimeters in diameter. First, the logs are loaded, then they travel down the feed table, are cut into the desired firewood size, then hydraulically pushed through the frame mouth. Finally, the cut firewood travels up the conveyor belt to be packaged. This is the fifth machine, the robot. After the firewood is processed, it's time for packaging. The wood is fed up a conveyor belt and dropped down into a spinning bin. The spinning serves two purposes, evenly distributing the cut wood as well as for bundling it. While being spun, a strong mesh is wrapped around the bundles of wood while the bin is slowly lifted off. This is the 6th machine, the Taj von Schwartz. With the advent of hydraulics and electronics, it has made the full process of taking a log to the final product a breeze. From cranes for the heavy lifting, the many conveyor systems for moving the logs through the processing, the numerous ways of cutting down the logs to just the right size needed, to all the fully customizable machinery out there, our logging industry has come a long way.